security in the BIP report. Okay. So catalog in BIP catalog level will BIP catalog level we will have a security. In BIP catalog level we will have a security. Okay. In BIP catalog level we will have a security, and ESS job level also we will maintain security for specific users can access the report. So in BIP catalog level we will have a security, and ESS job level also we will maintain the security for specific users can access the report. Okay. First I will show you BIP catalog level how we can give the security, ESS job level how we can give the security. Let me go to the Dev 95, right? Dev 34, 35. Dev 35. Dev 30 now. Dev 35. Dev 95. Dev 95, right? Dev 95. Dev dot. Dev, it is not coming. Dev dot 95. Okay. So now let me go to the tools, reports and analytics. Browse catalog. So let's go to the schedule folder, shared folder. Shared folder. Okay, this is the new instance. Just quickly, I will develop one report. Because there is no reports available in the new instance. I will develop one report quickly. Okay. Data model. So if you want to apply the security for that report, we need to create the report, right? But there is no reports available in the my folder. That is the reason I'm just creating one simple report. SQL query. Save as sample data. Save as sample data. Create report. The report. Save as sample data. Create report. Use report editor. I think we need to use this one. Okay. Edit. RTF it is expecting. It is expecting the RTF template. Go to the data model. Save as sample data. Create report. So instead of guide me option, click on next. Instead of report editor option, we'll use the guide me. ID. To flat. Something like that. Just I'm creating the report just for example how to apply the security for the report. Click on finish. Okay. So report created. Now go to the catalog. So move this BIP report to the shared folder. Okay. So this BIP reports can be accessible for only specific users. How we can give the control for this report, this folder to be accessed for the specific user. So now first let's copy these BIP reports. Copy, go to the shared folder. Immediately it will not reflect. You go here, then come BIP reports. So now in the BIP reports folder, for example, I don't want to give the access for the data model for all the users. All the users, I don't want to give the data model access. Only for specific users only I want to give the access. Okay. So what you will do, go to the more permission. So this data model I cannot give all the end users for this one. Then so if you remove these three roles, be admin role, other role, consumer role, right? So if you remove these roles to this data model, so no one can access this data model for in the any user cannot access. So remove this one. Okay, but this data model I want to access only for developer user. So let's consider the example dev.95, the developer for this data model. So then what you will do, click on user symbol, click on plus users, search the which user you want to access. Dev.95. So this dev.95, this data model can be accessible for full control. Again, we have some options are there: full control, modify, open, schedule, publish, report. Something options are there here. Full control means so you will have all the options: modify, open, schedule, custom, something. Multiple options are there. So take the full control option. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now in the shared folder custom BIP report, this data model only who will access dev.95 user. If you have any other user in the dev.95 user, we will verify this data model can be accessible for other users or not. Anyone have a user in this dev.95 user? Tell me. I will open and will verify on that. Okay. I will create the new user and let's see. So once again, I will tell you guys. So we have created one report, and that report we have placed into shared folder under custom doc. And this data model I have given only for dev.95 users only can access. So I am going to create the new user, and we will come to this custom BIP reports folder, and we will see that that new user will have access to this data model or not. Okay. So how to give the access for specific users? Go to the more permissions. Here only will give the okay. So dev.95 user, I have given this data model access. So now we will create another user and we'll see whether other user can access this data model or not. So let me verify now. So if you have anyone have a user, you can give me. We will verify. Okay, let's create the new user. Let's add a account. Something dev dot user. Welcome on the three. Add role. IT security manager. IT security manager. Application implementation. Right. Save and close. Understand or not? So now what I will do, log out from here. Dev dot user. So now what I will do, tools, reports and analytics. So I log into another user, dev dot user, and will verify in the shared folder. So whether that user data model can see this user or not. Go to the shared folder, custom. Here. So the data model cannot be seen by other user, dev dot user. Understand or not, guys? How we can restrict the
Yes,
report to be accessed only for specific users.
So in catalog section for the other user will not be able to see that data model.
Yeah, correct.
Vamshi, one question. After we migrate this with single user permission, later on, if we decide to give the permissions to multiple other users, we have to again redo it in the lower environment and then migrate it to next one, or
These permissions, there only you can give, no?
Hmm.
The production also, go to permissions, there also you can give. You no need to go that step.
But the data model itself is not available here, right? How can we give the permission?
Then you log in, see in the production instance also you have other user, no? So in dev.95 user, example dev.95. So you go to dev.95 user and give the permissions, whichever the permission. This is not, we are not doing any changes right in the data model level. Only we are changing the permissions. Or sometimes some clients they will tell that, okay, do that development in the dev instance, then deploy like that. So it depends on the client how they want to do that change. I think we need to do in the dev, then only after that only we'll do the production.
Okay.
So that is one thing. And now next is we will register this report into ESS job and we'll see how we can give the security for that this report to specific users can be accessed for that report in the ESS job level. Okay. So first we will register this report. So how we will register this report in the ESS? Go to schedule. Log into that user. Log into dev.95 user. Log into dev.95 user. Log into dev.95 user. Reports analytics. Go to reports analytics. Take the report path. Schedule.
Under history only. History, not scripting.
No, I want to take the path.
Yeah, path only. Under history.
Okay. Okay. So take the path of the VIP. Now what I will do, let me go to the let me go to the setup and maintenance. Search. Manage enterprise. Manage enterprise. Create that. STSS job. So this is the ESS job name. Path. Application name. Just give anything. Okay. FSCM ESS job type. VIP job type. Report ID. You can do this. Okay. Save and close. So this is the ESA job name. This is the short name. Okay. And this is the path. This one. Click on save. Now run this CSS job from dev.95. Let's see what will happen.
Vamshi, here path, which path is this, Vamshi? After name?
This is you can give if you put the cursor now, Oracle given one path, right? So this name.
Okay, that.
Okay. So now what we will do? Click on done. Now run the ESS job from schedule process. Schedule new process. Click on OK. So you are able to run, right? In the dev.95 user, you are able to run. Correct or not? So this window is coming means you have this submit option coming means you are able to run the ESS job from dev.95 user. Okay. So dev.95 user. Now we'll see dev.user login. This ESS job. Just ESS job. Let's see dev.user login. Huh? Dev.user login. We'll see. Dev.user. So now let's go to the dev.user tool schedule process. Run the ESS job. Schedule new process. Run this one. Tab out. Click on OK. So here also you are able to run, right? Hello.
Yes.
Here also we can run. Let's say, for example, why you are able to run here this user, because this user dev.user having IT security role and application implementation consultant roles. Because of that, you are able to run. Okay, so now what I will do? I will create one hr.user. One hr.user. I'll get one hr.user. 1 minute. I will create one hr. We will create one hr.user. And we will not add the IT security and application implementation consultant tools. Just create one dummy user and add only employee role for this hr.user. Let's verify now. 1 minute, guys. One minute. Go to the go to security console. Users. Add user account. Just hr.user. Add role. Save and close. Now HR.user. Run the ESS job. Tools, schedule process. Run this ESS job. See? Did you observe? Hello?
Yes,
So, what is your observation, guys? For HR.user, we don't have a option to run the ESS job. An option to ESS. Why we don't have option to run the ESS job? No.
IT security.
But in the real time, end users will not have IT security manager and application implementation consultant roles, right? In the real time, this is the end user, right? He is the end user. This guy is the end
Yes.
user. In the real time, IT security manager and application implementation consultant roles not there for the end users, right? But still, they want to run the CSS job. For that, what we will do? Understand the problem or not? So we need to give the specific access, specific security for the end users to run the ESL jobs. Even though IT security manager and application implementation consultant roles not there for the end users, still this end user can run ESS job. Even though this role is not available for the HR.user, this ESS jobs should run by HR.user. For that, what we need to do? We need to 1 minute, please. Sorry guys. So now what we will do? Okay. So there is a one. So there are steps are there. So what we need to do? We need to run one standard ESS job program. We need to run one standard ESS job program. We need to run one standard ESS job program. We need to run one standard ESS job program. Okay. So that is called user roles. So there is a program called import user and roles application security data. Import user and roles and application security data. So we need to run this program. when you run this program. So what will happen when we run this program? I will tell you. Run this program, I will tell you what will happen. So log into dev.95 user. Log into dev.95 user. Run this program. Tools, security console, users, sorry, go to schedule process, schedule new process, import user, import users, import user and application security data. So run this program. Run this program. So when we run this this program, we can submit. It will take 5 minutes time to complete. But what will happen, I will tell you. Okay, so this is taking this will take 5 minutes time. So what will happen when we run this program? When we run this ESS job, 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 when we run this ESS job. So whatever the ESS jobs we have created, right? Whatever the ESS jobs we have created, right? So this ESS jobs, this ESS jobs, not only this ESS job, all the ESS jobs, whatever the ESS jobs we have created, so this ESS jobs will create as this ESS job will be created as privilege. So this ESS job will be created as privilege. This ESS job will be created as privilege. This ESS job will be created as privilege under roles section. Now what we will do, we will create one custom job role. Some name you can give, XX HR role, some name. Under functional security policies section, the privilege with this name privilege will be created. Whatever the ESS job there with that ESS job name, this under functional security policy section, under functional security policy section, STSS job. Under functional security policy section, add this privilege. Then save and close. Okay, I think next we need to go to next. A1. Finally, then this custom job role is enough. Then this custom job role, assigned to HR.user. In this custom job role assigned to HR.user. Then run the yes. Understand the steps are not nice. We will see practically. It will take 5 minutes. Yes. So when we run this program, whatever the ESS jobs we have created, right? Test ESS job. This name will be created as privilege under the role section. Okay. So that role, that privilege, we need to assign to this custom job role under functional security policy section. Then click on next, save and close, submit.
Vamshi, HR.user is already having one job role, right? Employee job role. Can't we assign this newly created privilege to the existing employee role?
Employee role, because this employee role is standard, na.
Mm.
So wherever whoever attached employee role, everyone can access,
Everyone
na.
will get, right? I mean, is it like doable? I mean,
For
we
standard role, we cannot add the privilege, na. Standard role, we
copy
cannot
the.
customize it. Copy, you can do that.
Oh.
Standard role, we cannot do any modifications, right? Will take time. Refresh. It's still running now.
And Vamshi,
Yeah.
this what is the process as you are explaining now? It can be applicable for like HCM as well as FSCM also. Like the
Yeah.
privilege is getting created and you have to create one role and you have to assign. This is a process can be applicable for HCM as well as FSCM also.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
taking too much time. So let it run. We will go to the security console. So now search in the role section. In the role section, privileges, search this name.
Test ESS.
Test ESS. I think because program not completed. After program complete,
It takes more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
yeah, sometime it will take 5 minutes only. It is success now. So now after that, go to security console, users. Search this name. Coming right? Okay. Coming right. So now what you will do? Create role. So what is the role? You can give any name, XXHR role, no? Role category. Common job roles. So here that privilege you can add here. The privilege whatever you have written, right? So whatever the privilege, STSS job privilege. Add the privilege here. So then next, Don't do any changes. Save.
I'm saying here itself we can assign to the users.
Oh, sir. Okay. Go to the user. So, what is the username?
HR dot.
HR.user. Edit. Control. Done. Now run the ESS job. So from the HR.user, from the HR.user, from the HR.user, from the HR.user, run the ESS job. Okay, now?
So without the IT security and application implementation, this is another way, right? Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So in the other user, we need to run using this option.
So we see simple guys. Whatever the ESS jobs that contain the report, right? So this ESS jobs in the real time, I want to give only specific users can be accessed. So this ESS job I can attach to that user, end user. We don't need to give the IT security and application implementation for that users.
For that, we need to create one schedule program that import users.
That I mentioned here.
Yes.
For standard BIP reports, yesterday we saw for a payable invoice. Those things how
Those things also, the privilege will be created.
already it will be there.
Already privileges will be there. So that privilege, if the privilege is not created, you can create the custom ESS job for that.
Okay.
With the same replica.